A few days ago, the new Falcon 9 by SpaceX and NASA took off to the moon. This engineering marvel, birthed by SpaceX, has boldly claimed the title of the world's first orbital-class reusable rocket. Unique in its design, the Falcon 9 boasts 9 Merlin engines and tanks crafted from an aluminum-lithium alloy. These tanks house the rocket-grade kerosene propellant and liquid oxygen that fuel this extraordinary machine. The Falcon 9 is more than just a rocket. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our relentless pursuit of knowledge. This marvel of engineering has reshaped our understanding of what's possible in space exploration. The Falcon 9 didn't just appear overnight. It is the result of years of meticulous planning and development. The genesis of Falcon 9 began with an ambitious vision: to create a fully reusable rocket capable of carrying heavy payloads into space. SpaceX, led by the forward-thinking Elon Musk, initially intended to develop the Falcon 5, but soon realized that something more powerful was needed to make this vision a reality. The Falcon 9 was born out of this need for more power. It was designed with 9 Merlin engines, a significant upgrade from the Falcon 5's original design. These engines, fueled by a combination of rocket-grade kerosene and liquid oxygen, provide the Falcon 9 with the thrust it needs to break free from Earth's gravitational pull. The development of the Falcon 9 was a complex and time-consuming process, fraught with regulatory requirements and the inherent challenges of creating a vehicle capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of space. But SpaceX was committed to their vision and invested both time and private capital into the project, with additional support coming from NASA through contracts and funding. The Falcon 9's design underwent several changes, each one refining and improving upon the last, with the goal of maximizing efficiency and reusability. The rocket was built to be two-staged, with the first stage equipped with landing legs made of carbon fiber and hypersonic grid fins for re-entry orientation, a testament to SpaceX's commitment to reusability. After years of development, the Falcon 9 was finally ready for its first demonstration flight. The date was June 4th, 2010, a day that would go down in history as a significant milestone in space travel. Despite numerous challenges and regulatory hurdles, the Falcon 9 took its first flight in 2010, marking a significant milestone in space travel. Since its inception, the Falcon 9 has proven its mettle time and time again. This world-class, reusable rocket, with its 9 Merlin engines and aluminum-lithium alloy tanks, has the power to deliver some of the heaviest payloads to a geostationary transfer orbit. But the Falcon 9 isn't just about carrying heavy loads, it's about precision, reliability, and a revolutionary approach to space travel. Picture this: a payload, snugly protected within a fairing made of carbon composite material, is launched into the great expanse of space, powered by the thrust of over 1.7 million pounds. The Falcon 9's first stage, equipped with landing legs made of carbon fiber, propels the spacecraft with incredible force, while the interstage, boasting hypersonic grid fins, ensures re-entry orientation is spot on. Once the first stage has done its job, the second stage takes over. Powered by a single Merlin vacuum engine, it carries the payload to its desired orbit, where it is released into the void of space. This two-stage process is what allows the Falcon 9 to transport both cargo and crew to the International Space Station, a feat previously only accomplished by government-funded programs. But the Falcon 9 isn't just a workhorse. It's a record setter. It holds the title for launching the most satellites by a single rocket, a testament to its capacity and reliability. It's a vehicle that has expanded our understanding of what's possible, and it's done so with an unbeatable safety record. The Falcon 9's story isn't just about its achievements, though. It's about the vision behind it, the drive to make space travel more accessible and sustainable. It's about the determination to push boundaries, to challenge the status quo, and to keep reaching for the stars. In 2020, Falcon 9 became the first commercial rocket to launch humans into orbit, further cementing its place in space history. One of the most groundbreaking features of the Falcon 9 is its reusability. SpaceX has truly revolutionized the space industry by designing the Falcon 9, the world's first orbital-class reusable rocket. This reusability is primarily found in the first stage of the Falcon 9, which houses 9 powerful Merlin engines and fuel tanks containing liquid oxygen and rocket-grade kerosene propellant. But how does this reusability work? Well, after the first stage of the Falcon 9 rocket has done its job, propelling the payload into space, it doesn't just fall back to Earth and burn up in the atmosphere like most rocket parts. Instead, it makes a controlled descent back to Earth, using its hypersonic grid fins for re-entry orientation, and lands vertically. It's an impressive sight. almost like watching a skyscraper-sized object fall from the sky and land on a dime. This isn't just about the spectacle, though. The reusability of the Falcon 9 has some significant benefits. Environmentally, it reduces the amount of debris left in space and falling back to Earth. Economically, it's a game changer. Think about it. If you had to buy a new car every time you drove somewhere and left the old one behind, driving would be prohibitively expensive. The same principle applies to rockets. By reusing the first stage, SpaceX can drastically cut the cost of space travel, making it more accessible and viable for various purposes, including scientific research, satellite deployment, and potentially even space tourism. Of course, all of this is easier said than done. Achieving a vertical landing with a rocket is a complex feat of engineering, but SpaceX has proven it's more than up to the task. As of today, SpaceX has landed Falcon 9 boosters 258 times, a testament to the rocket's robust design and SpaceX's commitment to sustainable space travel. With such an illustrious past, what does the future hold for the Falcon 9? As we gaze into the future, the Falcon 9's journey is far from over. With its proven reliability and reusability, this rocket is set to play a key role in many upcoming space missions. One of these is NASA's Artemis program, aimed at returning humans to the moon. Falcon 9's role in this program will be to launch components of the Lunar Gateway, a small spaceship that will orbit the moon, provide living quarters for astronauts, a lab for science and research, and ports for visiting spacecraft. In addition to its lunar ambitions, the Falcon 9 is also pivotal in SpaceX's own Starlink project, an initiative to create a satellite network, providing global broadband coverage. With over 250 successful landings under its belt, the Falcon 9 will continue to ferry these satellites into orbit, revolutionizing how we connect and communicate. There's also potential for the Falcon 9 to be involved in missions to Mars, supporting SpaceX's goal of making life multiplanetary. With its reusable first stage and ability to carry heavy payloads, the Falcon 9 could be instrumental in launching the necessary infrastructure for a future Mars colony. In spite of all these future prospects, continuous development and innovation remain at the heart of SpaceX's approach. The Falcon 9 will continue to evolve, becoming even more reliable and efficient. The future missions it will embark on and the advancements it will undergo are testament to its integral role in the new era of space exploration. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, the Falcon 9 will undoubtedly be at the forefront of these exciting endeavors. The Falcon 9 is more than just a rocket. It is a symbol of human achievement and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Born from a vision of reusable space travel, the Falcon 9 has truly revolutionized our journey to the stars. This remarkable invention, with its 9 Merlin engines, has soared beyond the boundaries of our planet, carrying precious cargo and brave astronauts into the great unknown. Its impressive track record of over 250 successful landings is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of the SpaceX team. Each launch, each mission, each triumphant return to Earth further solidifies the Falcon 9's place in history. But it's not just about the rocket, it's about what it represents. A future where space travel is commonplace, where exploring other planets is not a dream, but a reality. As we journey forward, the Falcon 9 continues to stand as a beacon of progress, a testament to our collective potential. As we look to the stars, the Falcon 9 continues to inspire us, reminding us that the sky is not the limit, but just the beginning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting space content.